Okay, the binder just up and down with your controller. Calibrate all the way to the right. It's a trim button on the top. Okay, let's fly this thing. You pull both sticks, one to the left, one to the right to start this. Well, not too bad. It's a very calm day today too, just to let you know. So let's see what this thing looks like. You can see it hovers real nice. Sounds great. See if I can get it closer so you can see it. You can see this thing is gorgeous. I got this at Amazon. But it flies real nice. Alright, that's speed 1. But again, it's a nice day. I haven't flown this for a little while. But I figured people have been asking about it, so I'd do some flying with it. Oh, that's come down that low, huh? Pretty cool lights, huh? Alright, let's send her out. Let's see what she does when I want to bank her. Ah, she goes wide. Alright. Want to speed her up with speed 2. Just remember, a lot of these remotes, it's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. That's what you're going to find with these budget drones. So this is speed 2, so it's a little faster. It should give you, be a little more agile for you. You know, it should be easier to handle. Alright, that's speed 2. Let's send her out. Turns her a little tighter. Oh, she hit the fence. You can see how it glides. Well, let me go pick it up. Again, hey, I crashed it. But that happens. And if you think you're going to fly and never crash your little drone or one of these babies, I got news for you. I don't care how good you are. You're going to crash one. Unless you're going to sit and get a computerized one and you push all the buttons and it does its own thing. Well, I don't think you're flying then. It's flying. You're not. I'm flying this thing. So, just remember that. But you learn from your crashes. That's how you learn. I mean, you're not going to learn if you never fail. You know? Well, somebody's got their wood burning stove. It smells so good. Okay, let's speed this thing up. Oh, only 2 speeds? 1. That's 2. Oh, there's 3. Alright, that's 3. A little better. Still, it's floaty. Because it's a little... The body is more powerful than the motors can keep up with it. So this is high speed. But I fly aggressively, so to me, I need something a little more powerful, but it's a great beginner's quad. I mean, got some cool lights too. I mean, it takes pictures. Let's see. Oh, its hood was moved. Well, you can see it's a good little quad. I'm not touching nothing. It's sitting there all by itself. Not a thing. Oh, look, she took off on her own. That's a little bit of wind that hit that. I didn't touch anything. That's the wind. Alright, let's bring her back. I think you've seen enough.